Hi there, I'm Dave Fleeson, and I came up with this concept I'm calling Job Scout. I just recently completed a program with Purdue University on applied generative AI. And one of the things that I wanted to do with that is I wanted to find a job, obviously, that was in the field, but that made the best use of my particular skill sets. Because not only do I have the generative AI background, but I also have the multimedia background. So I wanted it to basically do the work for me and have the agents go out and look each day for opportunities and then give me a cultivated list. So let me show you what it looks like. So this is Job Scout here. And this one in particular has a back-end technology that I'm using here. Um, I needed to make this so that I could run it on an iPad, but I think I'm also going to do a desktop version. I'll call it the light version. And I might put the light version up as open source for others to use it as well. But in that case, I'll let you know when I have that available. Let me show you. I have target companies here. Let me change my screen there. Um, so I have some companies I'm interested in, Adobe, that makes the use of AI, but also the artistic side, OpenAI, Anthropic, Google. Let's say if there was, I'm going to take out Boeing here off the list. If I want to add Boeing back in, I just simply type it in and I click to add. And there you can see. So you can update the list, and when you save things in this, it saves it into your configuration on that computer. Like I said, for yours, it would only work on the desktop versions. And it works on just the one computer where you have it. If you go to another one, it's independent. Skill keywords, I have different aspects of things that I'm good at, and I can put those in there so it looks for opportunities that conform to that. And then locations where I want to do this, if I want to do remote, hybrid, things like that. Places to search for the jobs. And you can also add to this at the bottom here. But LinkedIn, company career pages, Glassdoor, USA Jobs Federal. And let's say I didn't want to do federal, I could just deselect it. I don't have to delete it. I'm just not having it look for ones in that area. Flex Jobs, Indeed, ZipRecruiter, Dice, Tech Jobs, Angie List, Well Found, and then also some preferences down here like Disabled American Veteran, DoD Defense Sector, things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and launch it. I'm also going to put steps here on how to use the technology, what it's about, and also a little bit about myself in case you're curious. So I come down here and I hit launch. And this usually takes about, I'd say, 30 seconds or so. What it's basically doing is it's going out on the internet and it's looking for opportunities that specifically match up to me. And what I might do when I do the light version, I might have a place where you'd upload your resume to it so that it can get a good idea of who you are and use that to populate the data in the fields. I got to play around with that to see. I hadn't, it just kind of did all this based on me because I've worked a lot with the technology already, so it knows a lot of things about me. But that can make it a little easier so you can have it just like pull it from your resume instead of you're having to enter in everything manually, but still have the option to change things if you need to. So as you can see here, the AI agents are out there. They're looking for the opportunities and they're bringing it back as a cultivated list. And here's the list. It has a total of, we see here, 8 leads. So it has a research engineer, universes with Anthropic. It's a remote position. And it's telling me here on these ones that are in rectangles, it's telling me with these tags what things apply to me. This gives me a real quick overall summary of what the job is about. You'd be building next generation training environments for capable and safe agentic AI systems. You'd work on cutting edge research at the intersection of AI safety and practical engineering. And then here it tells me why this fits, which is really nice. I put this in so that you can really tell how good this matches up for you. Perfect match for AI expertise with LangChain, LangGraph experience, Anthropic values, AI safety, and interpretable systems, aligning with candidates' ethical approach to AI development. And then I can come here and view the posting, go to LinkedIn or Indeed on it and see it in each of the locations. I've also put hot warm, as you can see on the bottom here, and cold, so that you can kind of see which ones are getting close to being filled as well. So we come here, and this takes me to Anthropic's page, so I can go ahead and apply for it. Now, in some of these, it'll take you right to the opportunity. Other ones, because of the way the APIs work and the searches, some websites won't let you target the exact individual page. So you'll have to simply go back and copy the description and paste it in. So that's what it looks like. And as I said, I hope that this works out as I'm searching for jobs here in the Charleston and Somerville area in South Carolina. And if I can work this out for a light version that you can use on a desktop computer, I'll go ahead and post it up for open source. Hey, thanks for watching.